Hello and welcome to Finologix with more videos on investing in real estate, pros and cons. Investing in real estate can be a lucrative venture, but it's important to know all the facts before jumping in. Luckily, we're here to help. In this video, we'll explore the potential benefits of investing in real estate and the challenges you may face along the way. With this information, you'll be better equipped to decide if investing in real estate is the right choice for you. So, let's get started. Pros of investing in real estate. Investing in real estate has many potential benefits that make it an attractive investment strategy. Here are some of the pros of investing in real estate. 1. Potential for high returns. Real estate has the potential to provide high returns on investment. In fact, according to some experts, real estate investing can yield returns of 8 to 10% or even higher in some cases. Of course, this high return on investment is not guaranteed and will depend on various factors such as property location, the real estate market, and property management. 2. Tax benefits. Real estate investors can take advantage of various tax benefits, including deductions on mortgage interest, property taxes, and maintenance expenses. These tax deductions can help investors reduce their tax liability and increase their profits from the investment. 3. Diversification. Investing in real estate provides diversification in an investor's portfolio. This means that an investor can spread their investment across different types of properties, locations, and markets, which can help reduce risk. 4. Tangible asset. Real estate is a tangible asset, which means it has inherent value. Unlike stocks or bonds, which can be hard to understand and measure, real estate is a physical asset that can be seen and touched, making it easier for investors to understand and evaluate. 5. Passive income. Another benefit of investing in real estate is the potential for passive income. By renting out a property, investors can generate a steady stream of income without actively working on it. This can provide a stable source of income and even cover the mortgage and other expenses. Cons of investing in real estate. While investing in real estate has many potential benefits, there are also some risks and challenges to consider. Here are some of the cons of investing in real estate. 1. High initial investment. One of the biggest challenges of investing in real estate is the high initial investment required. In most cases, investors will need to have significant cash reserves or be able to secure financing to purchase a property. This can be a barrier to entry for many investors. 2. Property management. Managing a property can be a time-consuming and challenging task, especially for new investors. Property management can include tasks such as finding tenants, collecting rent, and handling maintenance and repairs. Investors who do not have experience in property management may struggle to handle these tasks effectively. 3. Market risk. Investing in real estate is subject to market risk, just like any other investment. The success of an investment will depend on factors such as the real estate market, the economy, interest rates, and more. These factors can be unpredictable and can have a significant impact on the value of the investment. 4. Inflation risk. While real estate can provide a hedge against inflation, there is still the risk that inflation will erode the value of the investment. Inflation can cause property values to decrease, which can result in lower returns on investment. 5. Illiquidity. Real estate is an illiquid asset, which means that it can be difficult to sell quickly in case of an emergency or when funds are needed. Selling a property can take time and may result in a loss of value, especially in a down market. Outro. Well, that concludes our video on investing in real estate, pros and cons. We've covered a lot of ground, from the potential benefits of investing in real estate to the risks and challenges that come with it. We hope that this information has helped you to make an informed decision about whether or not investing in real estate is right for you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for watching.